My child, sometimes two people, no matter how hard they try to make it work, just are not meant to be. Love can do strange things to you, but it should not ever make you forget your worth. Trust me, when you least expect it, someone great will come along. Someone that will teach you all the things you got wrong about love. Some people are just here to teach us a lesson. We must not regret these loves, but be thankful for them. When you finally cross paths with the right person, everything will feel different. You will just know, be patient. Please don't settle for loss because you deserve the world. Type yes if you agree and also subscribe the channel. Thank you.